If your hood doesn't close on your vehicle, stay with us and we will explain how to fix that today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle, practically almost any car guys. If your hood does not want to close guys, okay, you hit it, it doesn't want to close, stay with us. We will explain top 3, maybe 4 things that can cause that. Make sure to stay until the end. It could be any of those and some could be really simple fixes guys. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix practically anything on it guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And we just started guys, super successful channel, Electrical Car Repair Life, where we teach you how to do car diagnostics, fixing electronic components and things like that on your vehicle. So let's go ahead and explain what can cause a hood now, okay, not to close. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, pass the hood here to because that hood does not stay up, the shocks are short, so we need to replace them. But things that can cause that now guys, you have to make sure that the cable actually is not broken and it releases nicely. So 2 things I want to show you about that cable. Number 1, make sure that, okay, it's attached to the handle. Okay, give me a second just to show you where it is. Right here, attached to the handle, and it releases and it comes back. I'll get another person to come pull that handle and I want to show you what to look for. Okay, you have to make sure, okay, that this little spring on the inside guys, okay, you have 2 springs, one big one and one underneath, is both of them are hooked up. When you pull the cable, one of the springs actually pulls the cable back, otherwise the hood will not close guys. So 2 springs, you need to make sure that they're actually attached. One that closes the hood and one that releases the cable. Number 2 guys, what you need to look for, okay, you will have multiple points where you can adjust how your hood closes. One of them could be right here, you can see, and if those are extended too much, you usually screw them in or out, check it out. The hood will not close because it will be too high. Then we have another one there, and you may have 2 more on the hood itself, like those, okay? And if one of those, somebody messed with it while you're working on your car, or you're just messing with it, okay, maybe that's why the hood doesn't close sometimes. So now, with all that being said, what else to look for? As we said, the both springs. If one of those springs is unhooked, your hood may not close. Another thing, the latch itself, it may be malfunctioning guys, and then you will need a new latch. Now it's not very complicated to replace that latch on your car, and we have a special video that explains how to replace the hood latch. Please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.